Actually, solar energy has moved from being a lighting solution to becoming livelihood and actually service enabling infrastructure. So I can actually quote some examples. So like there is something which is interesting which we have seen in Sabah region of Malaysia. So decentralized renewable energy solutions has actually enabled community to create an entirely new income stream and not just improve productivity. So what happened in Sabah is that, okay, after gaining access to reliable solar electricity, it was within a village, and they also have a community center where they come in, talk evenings. That was the use of solar, the community center earlier. So what a woman entrepreneur, what she did is that, okay, with the help of an NGO who helped her, she bought a Starlink. Okay, it's actually nowhere. It's a place of nowhere where we don't have access to electricity. There is no wired internet connectivity. So she bought a Starlink, installed it. Then she began selling internet access to villagers. The first thing. So even I think it's approximately 1 ringgit per hour, which is used to charge there. So more and more people coming to service center even during mornings and weekdays because that's internet access. The second stage, what she did is that she set up a TV and started screening popular football matches or popular Netflix series in that community center. And then she later expanded it to a small hotel. Okay, the moment she had reliable electricity, then she added refrigerated. With the help of induction stoves, she started selling tea, selling some pre-cooked foods, cooked foods, and all. And her business actually moved beyond subsistence to diversified and a resilient enterprise. So this actually shows how solar energy-based energy access plus other blocks like digital plus appliances, it actually unlocks multi-layered livelihoods. So in many rural contexts, okay, I have just quoted an example. In many rural contexts, solar-powered cold storage, solar-powered milling, welding, agri-processing, it has actually shifted households from daily wage dependence to enterprise ownership. Now, when we talk about education, there is something which is interesting which happened in India. We had a program which is called Electrifying Border School Villages. So, okay, first, what will come to your head when we start electrifying a school? We will think that, okay, we are giving a reliable electricity access to a school. In turn, they will put lights, fans, and maybe the worst case is like, okay, maybe an internet access and a digital education. What actually happened in border and remote villages is that, okay, once schools received electricity access, okay, the problem there was they had dependency on limited number of teachers. So they started introducing digital education, smart classrooms, online learning tools. This was actually linked to reduce student migration to towns, kept families together, and it also improved teacher retention and learning outcomes. So access to electricity has enabled also enabled like extended study hours during uh, maybe different seasons or maybe low light seasons, digital content in local languages, and better school administration. Similar to health, like okay, solar has been transformative for last mile healthcare delivery. So I can quote one example in Meghalaya where an electrification project done by a renowned NGO and a partner. The first institutional delivery actually happened in that center after reliable electricity was provided using solar. So the solar power actually enabled lighting, equipment use like baby warmers, vaccine storages, like the cold storage for medicine, turning a less functional facility into a life-saving one. So as electricity becomes reliable, what happens? Like in a village, when a healthcare center is working 24/7 or for extended hours, patient footfall increases. The moment patient footfall increases, the medical center keeps adding more medical services. So maybe they are doing A, B, C initially. With the help of reliable energy, Then with the help of more people coming in, they will start adding diagnostics, they will start adding maternity care, they will start adding maybe vaccine storages, creating a virtuous cycle of trust and utilization. So just in summary, what I want to say is that solar energy enables systemic changes, strengthens livelihood, stabilizes education, and actually make healthcare functional and not just available. So this is what I want to talk about, what distributed solar energy solutions can contribute to improving lives of communities in terms of livelihood, health, and education.